Welcome to Think the Unthinnable, where we image things which are not thinkable, but may relate to all of us. So let's dive in. What if you heard a knock on your door, opened it, and standing there was you, but from 5, 10, or even 20 years ago? Would your memories shift? Would the universe explode? Or would you just sit and awkwardly talk about how cringy you used to be? Today, we're diving into the wild thought experiment. What would happen if your past self time traveled to meet you? First things first, time travel is still a theory. But let's just say it happens. Imagine your younger self walks into your life. Same face, same voice, but fewer wrinkles and maybe more energy. You both instantly recognize each other. Would it be cool, terrifying, or completely mind-blowing? Psychologically, meeting your younger self could cause an identity overload. You'd be faced with who you were, your hopes, your fears, your dreams, and maybe some questionable fashion choices. But for your younger self, seeing how they turned out, you, could either be inspiring or completely disappointing. Now, here's where things get weird. In physics, there's something called the grandfather paradox. It suggests that changing the past could erase the future. So if your past self sees something that changes their decisions, like knowing you didn't become an astronaut or did become a millionaire, would it mess with time? Maybe they go back and change their path, which means you wouldn't exist as you are now. So who exactly is standing there talking to them? Mind blown. Some scientists argue the universe would correct itself, like a rubber band snapping back. Others think it might split into a new timeline, a multiverse, where every choice leads to a new version of reality. Okay, let's slow it down. What would you actually say to your past self? Maybe, start saving money now. Avoid that one relationship. Or simply, it's all gonna be okay. It could be therapeutic. You get to forgive yourself, laugh at mistakes, cry at memories, and maybe even heal a few old wounds. But there's a risk. Telling your past self too much might cause fear, hesitation, or worse, a complete shift in their life path, erasing everything that made you who you are. Sometimes growth happens because of those mistakes. Meeting your past self isn't just a sci-fi concept, it's emotional. Would you be proud of who you became? Would you apologize or celebrate? Maybe it's not about changing the past, but understanding it. We often judge our younger selves too harshly. But remember, they were doing the best they could with what they knew. Maybe this meeting isn't about paradoxes or timelines at all. Maybe it's about finally giving your younger self the love and kindness they always needed. So, what would happen if your past self time traveled to meet you? Maybe the universe wouldn't end. Maybe it would finally begin to make sense. What would you say to your younger self? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this time-twisting thought experiment, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Time is stranger than we think.